love railroad songs, so we're going to do another one that is the Delma Brothers. Now you can take it over. Blue Railroad Train. To see you go.